Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type services, then click here to open it from the search results. After that it will open services window and we need to find out services several. So first of all, find Windows audio, then right click on it, click on stop. We need to stop this service. After that, again right click on it, click on start. It can solve your problem. So after that, close this window and simply move to the next step. This step is very important. Simply go to device manager and then expand sound, video and game controller. Then from the drivers, right click on it and select update drivers. Click this option. After that, once done, close this window. And now we need to go task manager and simply just scroll down, find out Windows Explorer, right click on it and select restart and wait for some time up to 4 to 5 seconds. Once done, close this window, restart your system, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.